of this book fair. Then I like to say to everyone who has come to this book fair today and to my dear brothers and sisters sitting in front of me. I am very happy to be present at this book fair today. That's I want to say something about this book fair. We are almost forgetting about reading books this day. But the importance of books to us is immense. In this era, technologically driven busyness, we have become more dependent on audiovisual media. Our interest is watching, listening, is increasing day by day from reading. As a result, we become dependent on virtual world. But we have to remember that reading books increases our brain's concentration, increases our mental focus, stimulates our brain cells. Suppose someone is watching something on television. When he is watching that scene on television, but he is watching it directly. This is not a figment of imagination. He is being shown very directly. And if it's a book, then when he is reading, suppose it is written that the sky is blue. When he reads, he says that there is no such thing as blue and there is no such thing as sky. It is only indicated by letters. When he first looks at that letter, then he has to imagine that it is a blue sky. When he first looks at the letter, it falls on retina of his eye, going from the retina to brain, and the brain is analyzing it. And then he can imagine that it is a blue sky. But it is a very complex process. Our brains do not develop until we have this process. Why people who watch television do not have this process. This process happens to people who read books. And if we get into the habit of reading books, then we have no difficulty in knowing in everything. Then when we read, and if we get into the habit of reading books, there are so many books on written so many subjects in the world. Will we ever see poet Rabindranath Tagore? No. Will we ever see poet Kazi Nazrul Islam? No. Will we ever see poet Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? Never. We would not even get them back. But when we read the book they wrote, when we read their novels, then I will feel that poets Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Kazi Nazrul Islam and Rabindranath Tagore are with me. They are sitting next to us and talking to us. This is a very good process. This is why you have to read books, and when we get into the habit of reading books, then we have no difficulty in knowing everything. Keeps our mind healthy, helps us know everything. Our books inspire us to read. A book fair reminds us that our favorite companion, our favorite actor, our favorite love is books. And we find our favorite actor, our favorite companion, our favorite achieve is books. So I have all request to everyone who comes to this book fair today, make this book fair a success. Please buy one book each. Thanks to all.
Thank you so much, Bumpy. She shared her thought about book fair and its necessity. Thank you very much.